Our last game for today. Inter BPO. AWS Outlaws versus First Source. Reverse, no good. Rebound. Ahead of the pack is number 11. Score is still 2-0. That makes it 2 apiece. Number 4. Pass to La Sala. Coast to coast layup for La Sala. Lamuhon, number 11. Looking for teammates. Ako na lang sad. Back shot is good for number 4. Nice drop pass. Jumper, back shot. Chill lagi ba? Ahead of the pack, number 11. That's number 11, back to the bar, na libre.
2 points.
Pasa na ito. Arare.
2 points.
Number 11. What a shot by number 11. May kasama. Another baseline shot. By Edson Tamar to number 18. Nice layup by number 18. Number 8 jumper. Ogas. All alone. Nice pass by La Sala. Aaron got the rebound. The putback is good. Nice play. Miscommunication. Lapon. Yes, inbounding. Nice play for AWS.
2 points.
Nice back shot by number 11. Number 11. Knockout play for First Source. First Source can cut the lead. It is nice crossover. Number 18 to Tampar. Basta masuk. What a shot! What a shot by number 11 to Tampar. Kakanay huwad kitag foul. In and out. 11 all alone ahead of the pack.
2 points. Last 2 minutes. 2 points.
Number 31, Tampar Namugas.
2 points.
AWS hanging on to a 10-point lead. 8-point lead.
2 points.
The VAR.
2 points.
That should be it.